नमस्कार. आयच्या हिडोना भितर तुमकां सगळ्याक येवकार आनी आमचे बरोबर आज एक अशी मायन ओनर आसात जाणी इल्लिगल मायनिंग जाका म्हणटात गोंया भितर आनी जाचेर SIT फॉर्म जाल्या त्या SIT मुखार उबी रावन जबानी दिवपाक न्हयकार दिला आनी इन्स्टेड ते कोर्टाक गेल्यात आनी ते तांणी एंटिसिपेटरी बिला खातीर अर्ज केला. जनरली मिनेर इतलो सारको कडक आनी खर स्टँड घेतना आमकां दिश्टी पडनात, पण तांणी घेतला. ते जे फाटली इतली वर्सां गोंयच्या मायनिंगाचेर उघडपणान उलयता आयल्यात. हरीश बाब मेलवानी, वेलकम टू द शो.
थँक्यू.
पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार लोकांक दिसता की जेन्ना एक मिनेर म्हणटा की आपूण SIT मुखार वचना म्हणून, इट लुक्स लायक अ टेंडन्सी ऑफ एरोगन्स.
इट इज नॉट एरोगन्स. प्लीज अंडरस्टँड माय स्टँड. हांव हें म्हणूंक ना की हांव SIT मुखार वचना. हांव विचारता ताका बरे भाशेन, आतां तुका कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन जाय हांव दिता. सी आय हॅव बीन सिन्स माय बर्थ इन मायनिंग. जन्मूच मायनिंग इंडस्ट्रीन केला हांवें. सो माय नॉलेज अँड माय एक्सपिरियन्स इज देर एंड आय कॅन प्रॉब्ली हेल्प देम प्रोवायडेड दे नो वॉट दे वॉन्ट. आतां तो म्हाका सांगता ना तूं यो आमी उलोवया. इट इज नॉट लायक टेकिंग अ वॉक इन द गार्डन. नो, you have to know exactly what you want. You are in SIT, you are calling a mine owner and you are wanting to ask and interrogate some way. You should know with great clarity what you are asking. Having said that, I had no choice but to go before the judiciary in the hope that at least judiciary would clarify what exactly he wants. Now, based on the call letter, it is a simple call letter. Nothing data is given, what exactly you are looking for. So how do I react? Any normal person will be very apprehensive. What is the reason for calling? You have to be very clear. Now when you call me to your office, I will come happily because you have very clearly told me what you are calling me for. But if you suddenly say, "Are tu yo मागीर दाखयता तुका," will I come? That is the only position. So saying that I have refused to go before the SIT is a misnomer. I have also undertaken to the court that whatever information is needed I will provide. And I have been providing since last 5 years. My accounts have been audited. Unfortunately, the questions I have been raising have been unanswered by the government, by the SIT and by the department.
पण म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, तुम्ही समजा SIT मुखार गेल्ले, कितें वायट जाता आशिल्लें?
कितें बरें जावपाचें आशिल्लें? प्रश्न हो. आयज आतां 5 वर्सां हे घडघडीत चल्ला. प्रत्येक खेपे काना आयकोन आयकोन थकली. 35,000 कोटीचो गफलत जालो. 35,000 कोटीचो गफलत जालो. There is no way I am going to leave my children with a blame that their father was a chore. I said enough is enough, and I said let me take a stand and let me take the judiciary and find out what is this 35,000 crores they are talking about. हे जे 400 ट्रेडर्स हेंच्यांनी हाडले तांचे ऑडिट कित्याक करूंक ना? My father, when I entered business, first day he told me, Harish, business is done on credit. You give credit to a person who has a shop, he will never run away. Don't give credit to a person who is a hawker. Now what situation we have in Goa? 400 traders have run away. Why nobody is questioning them? I have given details. Why nobody is following up? This very same SIT, why they are not functioning? So it appears to be a lopsided functioning. And I think unless someone takes a stand and someone takes the judiciary behind him, it will not be set right.
एक आर्ग्युमेंट असो आसता की जे 35,000 कोटींची फिगर म्हणटा ताचेर भरपूर डावट आसा, वाद आसा. हो फिगर आयलो शाह कमिशनाच्या रिपोर्टांतल्यान आनी तुमचो जो एंटायर आतां इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा, इट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ शाह कमिशन्स रिपोर्ट. यू रिफ्यूज टू एक्नॉलेज इट.
I don't say that it is based on Shah Commission. I don't know on what it is based. That has not been clarified to me. How this figure has come 35,000 crores? On what basis you are calling me? Had they clarified to me, I would have been the first person to go. Now, if you take the Shah Commission report, let us presume that it is based on Shah Commission report. Supreme Court itself has kept Shah Commission report to one side. Goa government in assembly has said that Shah Commission cannot be taken because it violated natural justice. Why don't they do their own investigation? Are they afraid that skeletons will come out from the cupboard? I definitely have 4 or 5.
Whose cupboard?
Definitely in the cupboard of the government.
So
definitely it will come out.
तुम्ही म्हणतात शाह कमिशनाचो रिपोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्टान कुशीक उडयलो.
Hi.
शाह कमिशनाचो रिपोर्ट एक्सेप्ट करपाक गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान रिफ्यूज केला.
Hi.
मागीर ही SIT करता कितें?
That is exactly my question, which they will have to come before the judiciary and answer. That is my question. But which other venue I had? I am trying to approach my government, but nobody listens. I am trying to approach the department, but nobody listens. So I had no choice but to go before the judiciary and say, Baba, what is this going on?
पण म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, बाकीची सगळी मायनिंग कंपनीज वन बाय वन आर प्रेझेंटिंग देमसेल्स बिफोर द SIT.
See, somebody in life has to take a stand, Pramod. Now I have decided that I am going to take this stand. That's it. I can talk for myself. I don't know what others are doing, what others have done, or what they are going to do in future. But I have had enough is enough, and somebody has to take a stand. If it is going to be me, why not me?
तुमकां कितें दिसता, हे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सामकी चुकीची दिशेंतल्यान चल्लां, सारकी चल्ली ना? What is your primary concern now?
My primary concern is what direction they are taking. How do I say they are going in the wrong direction or the right direction when I don't even know what they are looking for? Imagine I see a person running around somewhere and looking at something in the ground. I am asking him, sir, what are you trying to find? He says, I don't know, but I am searching. What do you say to this person?
मागीर कित्याक चल्लें हें सगळें?
I don't know. In fact, that is what I am asking my government. What is going on? That has to be clarified. And that clarity nobody is ready to provide unless it comes before the judiciary. So my step to go before the district court and ask them to come and present their case, what exactly they are searching for. They are searching. I am not saying no. Maybe they are searching for the right thing. Maybe they are not searching for the right thing. We will not know until they come and tell the judge what exactly they are
पण
searching
म्हाका एक
for.
गजाल सांगात, हे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आतां फाटली 5 वर्सां जाली चल्लां.
Aye.
5 वर्सां भितर तुमी कितले कॉपरेट केलां SIT बरोबर आनी कितें कितें तांचे मुखार प्रेझेंट केलां?
See, we went through the SIT investigation. I have given my statements. Okay, there was a big audit of each and every mining company. We have gone through that. We have got a total clearance there. Nothing was found. In the floor of the assembly, our government said that there was no illegality in the mining companies. I am not talking of mining traders. Mining companies, our government has said on the floor of assembly that there was no illegality. Our government in Supreme Court has filed an affidavit that there was only 10 hectares of encroachment. Okay, we have over 1,000 hectares under mining. Out of that, only 10 hectares total encroachment was determined. So what does it mean? Government is saying one thing, SIT is saying another thing. SIT is an arm of the government. So who is driving all this confusion? That means there is some driver to this, no? I want to get to the bottom of that.
तुमकां कितें दिसता, द इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज मोटिवेटेड?
Yes, 100% it is motivated. Otherwise this confusion would not have been. There would have been total clarity. What you are investigating, why you are investigating, and what is your expectation to find.
तुमी कितें म्हणटात की फाटले 5 वर्सां भितर तुमी SITन तुमकां मागल्यात तितल्योय गजाली तांचे मुखार
Absolutely.
दवरल्यात, तुमी तुमचे अकाउंट्स तांचे मुखार दवरल्यात,
Absolutely.
ऑपरेशन्स तांचे मुखार दवरल्यात, एवरीथिंग हॅज बीन ऑडिटेड.
Yes.
तरीकय म्हाका परत कितें आपयतात?
Not only that, कित्याक आपयता पूण कितें तरी reason सांग न्ही. You are sending me a single page call letter saying come. At least you clarify, no, Baba, you had submitted this, you had submitted this, this is wrong, this we have found wrong, this we have found wrong. Say something, no? What happened to all my submissions over the last five years? Did it go waste? We have spent hours together to compile that. Why it is not being recognized? That all the details, सगळे दिले आम्ही. तू सांग न्ही, अरे तू हांगा चुकलो, तू थंय चुकलो, अमक्या जाग्यार चुकलो, कित्याक? काय सांगा ना. सो कितें मिनींग कितें? Is it only to drive confusion?
पण म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, लोकांच्या मनात एक सादो प्रश्न आसा की सगळ्यांनी म्हळें की तुगेलो घोटाळो जाला म्हण 5 वर्सां ताजेर कांयच जालें ना. एक सरकार वचून दुसरी सरकार आयलें तरीकय कांय जालें ना. आनी आतां परत इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनाक गती येता. ती गती आयली जाल्यार चुकली कितें?
चुकलें कितें? ती गती जी आहा पळय, चोर आयलो, चोरी केलो आनी पळो, पूण ते दुकानवाल्याक तूं सोदता. चोर खंय आहा, माल खंय आहा, आनी तूं खंय सोदूंक जाय, थंय तूं सोदिना, तूं ते दुकानवाल्याक बंद आपयता आनी क्वेश्चन करता म्हणटा तो अर्थ आसा कितें? ताका अर्थूच ना. तूं त्या चोराक धर न्ही, म्हजे कडेन पेपर हांव दिता. I will submit to the court. Because now I have lost confidence in their investigation.
तुम्ही कोर्टा मुखार कितें सबमीट करतले?
वॉट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आय विल सबमीट.
तुम्ही सध्या कितें म्हणटात की ट्रेडर्साच्या फाटल्यान वचपा वाट्याचें. वाय इज SIT कमिंग आफ्टर मायनिंग कंपनीज आणि मायन ओनर्स?
म्हजो फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन प्रमोद, अजून पर्यंत सद्दांच हांव हेच उलयतां. इतकी वर्सां मायनिंग चलतालें, इतकी वर्सां हे ट्रेडिशनल आमचे एक्सपोर्टर एक्सपोर्ट करताले. अचानक 400 ट्रेडर रजिस्टर करपाक कितें गरज पडिल्ली? आनी प्रत्येक ट्रेडराचो तुमी एड्रेस बी पळयशी, XYZ कंपनी केअर ऑफ आझाद मैदान, PQR कंपनी केअर ऑफ हॉटेल मनोशांती. असले ट्रेडर जेन्ना तुमी रजिस्टर केल्या, जेन्ना सरकारान रजिस्टर केल्या, ताजेर कितें KYC करपाची नाशिल्ली? ताजो बॅकग्रावंड कितें? तो मनीस कोण? तो हांगा गोंयांत आयलो कित्याक? ताका ओर खंयच्यान मेळ्ळो? एवरी टर्न ऑफ ओर हॅज टू बी अकाउंटेड फॉर.
बरोबर.
थंय बॅलन्स मेळना तुका. मोर ओर हॅज गॉन दॅन वॉट वॉज मायंड. फ्रॉम वेर दीस ओर केम? फ्रॉम द मून? वाय दे आर नॉट गोईंग इन टू दीज क्वेश्चन्स विच वील गेट सम आन्सर्स. तू प्रश्न असले विचारता जाका कोण आन्सरूच ना, म्हणजे तुका गोंधळ करपाकूच इंट्रस्ट आसा न्ही. तू प्रश्न जर असले विचारीत जाका कितें तरी आन्सर आसा आनी कितें तत्व आनी तो सांपडटलो, तेन्ना हांव मानूं शकता तुका.
एक गजाल आसा जनरल लोकांच्या तकल्या भितर एक जाता की मायनिंग, इल्लिगल मायनिंग बी म्हळें की सगळ्यांत पयलीं दोळे मुखार येता ते व्हडली मायनिंग कंपनी आनी एक मायन ओनर्स, आनी तुमचे कडेन एक सामकी व्हडले विलन जाल्ल्या भशेन पळयतात.
ती इमेज एक क्रिएट केल्या. प्रत्येक गांवांत तूं म्हजे बरोबर यो, गांवांत लोकांक खबर आहा कोणें खंय वचोन खणला आनी तो माल कोणें एक्सपोर्ट केला आनी तो मिनेर न्हय. त्या ट्रेडरान कितें केलां तें प्रत्येक गांवांत प्रत्येक मनीस तुमकां सांगतलो. म्हजे बरोबर यो, हांव व्हरतां तुका. इट इज नॉट अननोन. पूण आमी जाणा जावन दे इन कोंकणी दे से तो सॉंग करता पळय न्हिदपाचें, ताका जगोवपाक नामुमकीन आसा, हें चल्लां. पूण आतां कोणें तरी तांकां जगोवचो पडलो. आय एम युजींग ऑल द मिन्स which I can legally use to evict them. If I am doing something wrong, you tell me.
तुम्ही एक गजाल म्हणटात की एक मायनिंग कंपनी आणि एक मायन ओनर हांची बाबतीत एक व्हडलो विलन जाल्ल्यासारखी जी प्रतिमा तयार जाल्या. इट इज जस्ट अ प्रोपागेंडा अँड नॉट फॅक्च्युअल.
Only propaganda. In English there is a saying, a lie often repeated tends to become the truth. That is exactly what has happened. And the main fault is our mine owners, because we have remained silent long enough. Now it is time to stand. And if that stand is going to be me, I will stand.
एक गजाल सदांच म्हणटात की जेन्ना बिझनेसमॅनाक स्टँड घेवप सदांच कुस्तार आसता, कारण अल्टिमेटली तुमकां बिझनेस करपाक जाय. अल्टिमेटली तुमकां सरकारा बरोबर सदांच एक इंटरॅक्शन चालू दवरपाक जाय. परत परत तुमकां ब्युरोक्रेसी म्हऱ्यान वचपाक जाय. जनरली बिझनेसमॅन स्टँड घेवपाक तितलो फुडें सरना, तो फाटीं रावता. तो कितें करपा तें पड्ड्या फाटल्यान करपाक पळयता. तुमकां माल वचची ना?
माल वतलेच न्ही. आय नो, and I am ready for that sacrifice. I know there will be a backlash, but I am ready, because I am not going to leave a bad reputation for my children. I will clear my reputation and go. I don't care if I die in this process. I have kept everything aside. I have planned. I know that this is a fight to finish.
And you also know that this is a fight for your reputation.
Absolutely.
And reputation of every mining company in
I don't know about the others. It depends on whether they take a stand or no. But definitely for me, I am not going to leave this reputation behind.
Very frankly, you are coming out very openly. तुमकां दिसता की ही जी अशी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन्स जातात तांचे फाटल्यान राजकीय हेतू असतात?
सांगू जायना न्ही. Elections are nearby. Naturally, people will add 2 and 2 and come up with 4. So government also has to be very careful how they are functioning. This government has a good reputation. They have to do everything in their power to maintain it. They have to direct. We have a government of very great intellectuals. They should direct their team, no? How to investigate, what to investigate. At least that guidance should be given. Suppose you have your managers. You just leave them in the middle of the ocean and say, now come on, swim. Does it work that way? Government is supposed to govern. This is a fault of the government.
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटात, ही जी चौकशी आसा ती बंद जावपाक जाय?
ना. Give it proper direction. चौकशी करा. Government must inquire, because a problem has happened. Excess ore has gone over and above what we extracted. Government has every right and every duty to investigate, but investigate in the right direction. No? Investigate for some results, no? Now 5 years this natak is going on. How long? Ultimately you get tired watching a natak. No? Same thing again and again and again.
तुमकां एक गजाल हें जाता की ट्रेडर्साची वटेच्यान इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आज मेरेन तुमी म्हणटात जाय तशें जालें ना.
जाय तशें कसलेंच जालें ना.
कित्याक जालें?
There must be some vested interest, no? I am saying openly. 100% there is a vested interest. And all skeletons will come out. And I am going to ensure that all these skeletons come out. I will not rest. Because somebody has called me a thief. Why should that person call me a thief?
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, ह्या परिस्थिती भितर you are restarting your mind. How do you see the future of your business if these are the things that are going on and these are the battles you are picking now?
This battle I have not picked. It was thrust on me. Future is very bright. And you must remember one thing, without mining, normal living is going to be zero. You cannot have a life without mining. So let us accept that fact. How we do the mining, whether we are doing it in a sustainable way, whether we are doing it in a consistent way, whether we are doing it in a regulated way, that is for the government to govern. Government has put various things in place. Something more is needed. That's why I took the stand, because I saw the government moving in a good direction. But only they needed a push to go in the right direction. So that the past can be washed out. People need to wash out that past, Pramod. People are upset. People are fed up. But when I see my friends in government going in the wrong direction, it is my duty to correct them. And I am sure they will take it in that right spirit.
तुम्ही किती म्हणतात की you will fully cooperate with the investigation
100%.
as long as it is clear what you are investigating for.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I am a firm believer that government has every right to know. They own that mineral. We are lessees. I cannot forget my position. And it is my duty. It is my government. It is my state. These are my people.
Correct.
Why will I not cooperate?
But they should tell you what you are investigated for.
And agree to change direction so that it goes in the right direction. Not simply go around in circles.
Very frankly, सगळे मायनिंग कंपन्यांनी आपले बुक सबमिट केले. Everybody is audited. प्रत्येकाची ऑपरेशन्स ऑडिट झाल्या. What came out of it?
Nothing. Because the mining companies didn't do wrong. It's logic. So where the wrong came, where that excess ore came from, who certified that ore fit for export? We have to look in that direction. Again and again we are going behind mining companies' books when already you have investigated, qualified chartered accountants have investigated. So you mean to say these chartered accountants were foolish who wasted their time? I am sure government doesn't mean that. And I am sure government will change its direction. And I am sure we will get to the bottom of this. And I am there to ensure it.
तुम्ही म्हणतात एक वेक अप कॉल जाय आशिल्लो.
Absolutely.
तो वेक अप कॉल दिवपाचो तुमचो प्रयत्न.
It is better a friend wakes you up than an enemy wakes you up, I believe. And I am a friend of the government because this is my government. This is my Goa. I want it to do well. This is my industry.
In that process, you might end up doing some enemies.
Maybe. In life, you always make some friends and some enemies. I am prepared for it. I am sure those enemies also will get converted into friends at the end of this whole story.
एक गजाल म्हाका सांगात, आज तुम्ही जेन्ना बिझनेसा कडेन पळयतात, while fighting these legal battles, all these things, किती हा परिस्थिती एक 1.5 वर्सां पयलीं आमी म्हणटाले की मार्केट ना, 1-1.5 वर्सां पयलीं म्हणटाले आमी की प्रायस ना ओरा खातीर. आज परिस्थिती कितें जाता आनी कितली लेवलाचेर आज गोंयचे मायनिंग पूर्वपदार येवपाक शकता?
See, Goa mining is very small. It is 20 million tons per annum. I don't know if it will increase to 30 or whatever. If you see the steel plants around Goa, it is more than enough to eat all this ore. Problem is, we are little complacent. सुशेगाद आमी आमचो ओर बेनिफिकेट करपाक तयार ना. आमी नवी मार्केट सोदपाक तयार ना. चायना कडच्यान इजिली पयशे मेळटा घेवन आमी ओग्गी रावता, टकार मारता. That will not work. The future is going to be competitive. We have to look at steel plants around Goa. We have to see the applications. We have to see what we are dumping in our rejection. Whether we can utilize that. So all these, if you consider, you will find that the picture is golden. I am planning to restart in October, and I can tell you the future is golden. These problems will happen. Some people will shout, some people will scream, some people will do something wrong. That is part of life.
एक गजाल म्हाका सांग, आज तुमी म्हळें की 20 मिलियन टन्स मेरेन गोंय वचपाक शकता बिकॉज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर.
Hi.
30 जातलें, 35 जातलें तुमकां
That is not sure.
But what do you think is the ideal limit for Goa considering infrastructure, carrying capacity and environment?
My personal opinion, I think we don't need to do more than 15 million if we utilize all the material that we are dumping. Because when we are extracting 15 million tons, remember we are dumping 60 million tons. Already we have 750 million tons. Our government had promised me a dump policy in 2012. Undertaking has been given before the High Court. Today we are in 2017. There is no dump policy. When this government will wake up? Who will wake them up? Only a knowledgeable person can wake them up. And that is my intention. Am I doing something wrong? You decide. Every year we will be dumping additional 60 million tons. On 20 million tons we will be dumping additional 80 million tons. 750 is already there. Every year you are going to add 80. What are
Without
you
a policy.
Without a policy. There is no inkling of a policy. It is not even on the horizon. You have given an undertaking before the High Court in 2012 that you will have a policy within a few months. Where is the policy? These are my questions. This is what I am asking. I am not asking for me. I am asking for all of us. And I am sure you should also be concerned.
Absolutely. But म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, जे तुम्ही म्हणतात की सरकारी पातळीचेर ज्यो ज्यो गजाली जावपाक जाय आशिल्ल्यो, जे जे पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स, धोरणात्मक निर्णय जावपाक जाय आशिल्ले, ते निर्णय इतली वर्सां जालीं, इतलो सगळो शॉक बसून सुद्दां आमकां जाले ना. कित्याक अशें आशें दिसता की तुमचे ह्या शॉकान जातले अशें?
Because this is a shock by a friend. I am your well-wisher. I have come to wake you up. Surely you will listen to me. 100% I am confident that this will have result, that investigation will go in the right direction, the policies will come in the right direction, and I am optimistic. There is a God, and that God loves Goa. I believe.
म्हाका दुसरी गजाल सांगात, फुडली 5 वर्सां भितर तुम्ही गोंयचे मायनिंग कितली प्रोग्रेस जाल्ली पळयतात, कितली लिमिट गोवा विथस्टँड करपाक शकता? 30 मिलियन, 35 मिलियन, what is the limit you would prefer? आणि एक डंप पॉलिसी करतना what is the best ideal way to handle our dumps right now?
See, all minerals are there in our dumps. We have identified bentonite, dolomite, nickel, gold. Geological Survey of India has published a book inviting investors to come and do gold mining in Goa. So that means there is something to this. Some smoke is coming out. There is bound to be some fire. I have to take government of Goa in the right direction and see to it that it is implemented. That's all. Somewhere or the other that implementation was lacking. But now if we ensure that it is implemented, it is going to be really golden Goa. You don't need to extract more than 20 million tons. And all these minerals have a market. Today we are importing these minerals. Just go on Amazon.com and check. Calcium bentonite is sold for 250 rupees for 100 grams. Check it. So why don't we really utilize our resources? I have been fighting with the government first of all to give some grant. Today government has earned crores of rupees. Why our Goa University is not being given a grant to research what minerals we have? We have a department of earth sciences with no budget. So what do they do? So why our government cannot use this developmental money?
Basically you are saying की इंडस्ट्री असा, फोकस जाय आणि सरकाराची विल पॉवर जाय टू मेक शुअर दॅट गव्हर्नमेंट, गोवा and industry
Absolutely
walk in a proper direction.
Absolutely. First of all, we are not recognized as an industry. My first fight is to recognize us as an industry. Those days of mining as a random activity is gone. Recognize as an industry. Once you recognize it, you can regulate it. Once a child is illegitimate, you cannot regulate him. but make him legitimate, regulate him, and take the benefits. And the benefits is for all. It's not just for me. And I am grateful that you have taken this opportunity. Otherwise, people would not know.
म्हाका म्हजो एकच उद्देश आशिल्लो कारण when you are taking this kind of a step, there has to be a proper thought process behind it, and there has to be a, finally it cannot be a case of one anticipatory bail.
No, it is not.
It has to be there has to be a bigger canvas behind it. There has to be a bigger picture behind it, and the basic idea was the picture तुमच्या तकल्यांत कितें आसा तें लोकां मुखार वचचें. म्हाका लास्ट एकच गजाल सांगा, when this is all over, when this is completely settled, where do you want to see the mining industry in Goa?
The mining industry is now changing because that earlier concepts of mining are gone. Now a younger generation has come who are more aware about technology, who are more aware about marketing of the mineral products, who are more aware about the environmental concerns, because we have to live here.
Correct.
So I see a dynamic shift happening. First of all, I see the shift in my family. No, most of the mining here is family oriented, except one company,
Correct.
which is a professional company. But even those professionals have to live here. No?
Correct.
So why will they vitiate the environment here? Having said that,
So you are seeing a very progressive,
Absolutely.
dynamic, technology-oriented shift
absolutely,
in Goa's mining industry in next
Absolutely.
4 to 5
and
years.
a lot of mineral industries coming up downstream, provided we are recognized
Yeah.
as an industry.
Correct.
There is a lot of mineral based industry which we can develop, which will generate jobs in the villages.
एकच गजाल ऋषबाब, आईल्या इतली बरे तरेन मतं मांडली ती जालीच, पण त्याच प्रमाणे तुम्ही सांगतात तशी जर एक इंडस्ट्री परफॉर्म करपाक लागली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फक्त इंडस्ट्रीच्याच न्ही जाल्यार गोंयची बरी जातली.
Absolutely.
ते जावचें इतलेंच मागतान थांबता. थँक्स अ लॉट, प्लेजर टॉकिंग.
Thanks to you.